Alright guys, so welcome back to Trouble Peds. We're back with a new video. It will be about the PUBG mobile emulator, that is the GameLoop. I've already downloaded the setup file from its official website, so let me run this thing. Now as you can see, there are two options, one is install and one is customize. Now what you can do is you can customize your own path, or if you want to do a quick install you can do it as well. Okay, so I've already provided the path. I will install this thing. Alright, so it's now installed. Now I'm going to start this thing. Remember, as you can see here, it's installing. This thing will require net around 150 to 200 MBs as its requirement for the emulator downloading. It will download up to 50%. After that, the rest 50% is for the game to be downloaded. So we'll wait for this to happen. Okay, so it's almost done now. So what we're gonna do, what happens is, in the previous version of the emulator, the game automatically starts downloading. So we're not gonna waste our 2 GBs to download the PUBG mobile. We already have the APK file and the OBB file, so we are gonna do it. It's almost done now. As you can see here, they are already recommending us the PUBG mobile, but we are not going to download it from here. We have the file, APK file and the OBB file, so we are going to just copy paste it in this. I'll show you how it's done. So now let me just minimize this. Now we are going to go in this PC, and in E folder there's a temp file. Now this file or this folder might get spawned on E drive or on D drive, but probably not on C drive. So you can search it on E or D as well. So I got it in my E, so I'm gonna go in temp, this, then pub mobile game PC shared, and here what we are gonna do is we are gonna paste the file that we have. Sorry. Okay, where was it? It's in E, temp, game, mobile PC, and here. So that'll just happen. It's done. Okay, so the copy pasting is done. So let me just close this thing real quick. We don't have to open this now. Quit. Yeah. So now we have to go in the download path or the installation path, that is I've given it as like this. So go in this folder, then in UI folder, and there's this Android emulator. Now we have to just use it, run as administrator, and we'll just open this thing. Here it is. Now it's been loading up. Let it boot up, give it some time, be gentle, be generous. So there it is. So as you can see here, it's totally blank. The applications or the icons are hidden. It's by default. Now you can bring them by simply pressing F9. Here it is. It depends on different PCs. You can use F9 or Alt Control F9. I'll provide the hotkeys in the description. So now all we have to do is go to the browser. We need a file manager. So let me download a file manager here real quick. You can choose whatever you want. I'm gonna go with the ES file manager. APK download. So let me do this. It's been now downloaded. Here it is. So as you can see here, it's now completely downloaded. Now remember, do not flush the notifications because you do not have any file manager to install it. So just directly click on it and we'll just install it right here. It's done. Now let's close all the browsers here. Here we go. So now let's go to the ES file manager or the file explorer, agree all the terms and conditions, and just start now. Okay, so now once we are in the file explorer, all we have to do is find the root folder. Now in ES file explorer, we will find the root folder in tools and scroll all the way down and the root explorer. There it is. So now that we have provided the root access, all we have to do is go to the root folder. Now follow the instructions, just click on the internal storage, then go to this /sign which indicates the root folder. Now you are in the root folder, go to the data and then find for the shared one. Here there is a PUBG mobile APK and the 10 file, the OBB file itself. Okay, so let's just install this game. Oh no, hang on, let me check this thing. Alright, so we had some error regarding this APK, so we downloaded the other APK from our default browser, that is from our PC browser. So I'll provide you the link in the description. So let's just install this thing, select the package installer, this time only, then next, install. Okay, so it's done, so let me close. Okay, hang on. I have to copy this thing. Okay, hang on. Okay, where is it? Copy. We'll take this to internal storage, then Android. We have to create a new folder that is OBB. Make sure it's small. We'll go here, paste it here. There it is. That's just the basic step that we do while we take games offline from our friends and other stuff. So it's that simple. Just remember the paths. Okay, so let me exit the stuff. Here it is. The game is now available for you. So let's just open it from this here. It will come every time, so don't worry about it. Just press OK. Let it load. There it is. And here we go. So let's just provide it some time so that it will start up, boot up with all the configurations and all that stuff. We have our game. Now let it download. It's the basic necessary files, the resource files, so it'll download it. It's almost done. Okay, so it's done. Let me restart the game again. Okay, so it's now started, as you can see here. Okay, and we'll close this thing. It's done. So that's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much. I hope it didn't bore you. See you in the next video.